Hi, everyone. This is a questionnaire, actually. I have a YouTube channel called Nanny's Italian Kitchen, of course, and I posted a video about 2-3 weeks ago of spaghetti with garlic and oil, or Italians call aglio e olio. Well, I got some comments from people in Italy saying there's no such dish in Italy. And I'm curious because I've grown up having this. My mother made it, my grandmother made it, my aunts all made it. And now they're telling me, these Italians are telling me that there is no such dish. So I said, well, maybe in your region there is no such dish. And they said, no, nowhere in Italy is there this dish. In fact, one person said, that's gross. Garlic and oil on pasta? Well, I have to tell you, a garlic and oil with a grated cheese and breadcrumbs is kind of delicious to me. So what are your opinions? Have you had this growing up? Have your grandparents made this in the past? I'd like to know your opinions. Also, please go to Nanny's Italian Kitchen on YouTube and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. Thank you.